Hey everyone, welcome back for another deep dive. As educators, our days are pretty packed, right?
Yeah.
And we don't always have the time to really, see the subtle signs that a student might be struggling,
Oh,
whether
no.
it's internal struggles like anxiety or maybe some outward signs like acting out in class.
Absolutely.
And that's where I think the SRSS can really come in handy.
Yeah, it's such a valuable tool. And today we're actually diving deep into its digital twin, the SRSS Digital platform.
Ooh, exciting. Okay, so for those who might be unfamiliar, can you give us like a quick rundown of what the SRSS is and what it actually measures?
Yeah. So the SRSS stands for Student Risk Screening Scale,
Yeah.
and it's basically an early warning system.
Okay.
Teachers use it to observe and measure student behaviors, looking for any red flags that might indicate a need for extra support. So it's not about like labeling kids or anything like that.
Right, exactly. It's more about, it's a tool to help educators understand which students could benefit from a little extra attention, a little extra help. Yeah, I like that it's like a heads up.
Yeah.
Gives you a chance to intervene early on.
Exactly. Early intervention is key.
Yeah. So, okay, let's talk about this digital platform, though. What makes SRSS Digital, like, so special? What sets it apart?
Well, it takes this incredibly valuable tool and just makes it so user-friendly.
Okay.
I mean, it's cloud-based, so educators can access it from anywhere on any device. Imagine, you're out on recess duty.
Yeah.
You can just pull out your phone and fill out those screening forms. It's just so convenient.
Okay. I'm sold already. But besides convenience, are there any other, advantages to, like, going digital with this?
Oh, tons. One of the big ones is the built-in bias reduction.
Okay.
So with the digital version, teachers focus on one student's form at a time,
Okay.
which eliminates, that chance of being influenced by another student's behavior or their scores.
That makes a lot of sense.
So it really leads to more objective assessments.
Yeah, and more accurate.
Exactly. And of course, we can't forget about the time-saving features.
Oh, yes, teachers love that.
Right. Those student rosters that teachers spend hours compiling?
Oh, yeah.
SRSS digital preloads, all of that.
Oh, wow.
So it frees up so much time for educators to actually, educate.
That's amazing. Okay, so we've got convenience bias reduction, time-saving features, but I have a feeling the real power of this platform lies in the data analysis.
You're absolutely right. The insights that SRSS Digital provides are game-changing.
Okay, you got to tell me more. I'm like on the edge of my seat here. What kind of insights are we talking about?
Okay, so picture this. You have interactive dashboards that give you a snapshot of student risk factors across your entire district,
Oh.
down to individual schools and even specific classrooms.
So you can really pinpoint areas of concern, like with incredible
Yeah,
precision.
exactly. Let's say you're seeing an uptick in anxiety among fourth graders
Uh-huh.
across the district.
Okay.
SRSS Digital can help you drill down further, like are certain schools or teachers reporting higher levels than others?
Mm-hmm.
Are there patterns related to specific subjects?
Oh, that's fascinating. So it's not just about identifying a problem, but also understanding like the context and the contributing factors.
Exactly, and that leads to data-driven decision-making. So instead of relying on gut feelings, educators can use this information to target interventions, allocate resources effectively, and ultimately better support their students.
That's incredible. Okay, this is all sounding really, really promising, but I know budget is always a big concern for schools.
Right.
So where does cost factor into all of this?
Well, that's where things get really interesting. SRSS Digital offers a free pilot program for one school within your district.
Wait, hold on. A free pilot program? You have my attention. Tell me more.
Yeah, so it's a no-cost, no-commitment way to experience the full power of the platform for a whole month.
So educators can like try it out in their classrooms, see how it works in a real world setting before they commit to anything.
Exactly. They get full access to all the features, including those data dashboards we were just talking about.
Wow, that is incredibly generous. What's the catch?
There really isn't one. You select a school, choose the educators who will participate, and they'll have full access for 30 days.
Wow.
They even include an admin-level user account so district leaders can see the platform in action too.
Oh, so administrators can also explore the data and see, the potential impact at a district-wide level.
Absolutely. It's all about experiencing firsthand how SRSS Digital can transform your approach to student support.
Okay, this is all sounding fantastic, but I have to ask about data privacy. That's like a huge concern for schools these days. So how does SRSS Digital handle that sensitive information?
That's a crucial question, and they take data security very seriously.
Okay, okay.
All data is encrypted both when it's stored and when it's being transmitted. Plus, they are fully FERPA compliant,
Okay.
meaning they adhere to those strict federal regulations regarding student privacy.
That's good to hear. But what happens to the data after the pilot program ends?
Well, to ensure complete confidentiality, all data is automatically deleted after the 30-day trial. It's like it was never even there.
Wow, they've really thought of everything to make this pilot program risk-free and user-friendly.
They have, and they've also streamlined the onboarding process to make it as easy as possible.
Okay, so no need for like complicated training or a steep learning curve.
Not at all. You simply submit your student roster, and they'll have you up and running within a week.
Yeah.
It's designed to be incredibly intuitive and easy to use.
Well, color me impressed. It sounds like they've truly removed all the barriers to entry.
Exactly. They want educators to focus on what matters most, supporting your students, and creating a positive learning environment for everyone.
I completely agree. So for any educators out there listening, I highly recommend checking out this free pilot program. It's a no-risk opportunity to see how SRSS Digital can streamline your student support processes and empower you to make data-driven decisions that truly benefit your students.
And as you explore the platform, I encourage you to think about how this data can be used not just to identify students in need, but to create a more proactive and supportive school culture for everyone.
Ooh, that's a great point. And we'll actually be diving deeper into that idea in the next part of our deep dive, so stay tuned.
Can't wait to unpack that further.
But before we move on, I want to hear your thoughts. What stands out to you about SRSS Digital so far? What are you most excited about exploring in this free pilot program? We'll be back after a short break to continue our deep dive.
Sounds good.
All right, see you soon.
It's amazing to think about all the possibilities this data opens up.
Yeah.
We always talk about personalized learning.
Right.
And SRSS Digital really gives educators those tools to tailor their approach to each student's individual needs.
That's a great point. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. So how does that personalization actually play out in a practical sense?
Okay, so let's say you have a student who's consistently scoring high on the internalizing scale, maybe showing signs of anxiety.
Okay.
With the digital platform, you can track those scores over time, see if they're improving or maybe getting worse, and then adjust your interventions accordingly.
So it's not just a snapshot in time. It's like a way to monitor progress and make sure the interventions are actually working.
Exactly, and you can even share that data with other support staff like counselors or school psychologists. So you're creating a more coordinated and holistic approach to supporting that student.
Yeah, it really fosters that collaboration and communication among everyone involved in a student's well-being.
It does. And the data can also be really valuable for professional development.
Oh, that's interesting. How so?
Well, imagine you analyze the data and you see that teachers in a certain grade level are consistently reporting higher levels of disruptive behavior.
Okay.
That could be a sign that they need some extra training in classroom management techniques.
I see what you mean. It's about using the data to identify areas where professional development could make a real difference.
Right. It's about constantly learning and improving both at the individual teacher level and at the school or district level.
This is really shifting my perspective on how data can be used to support students. It's not just about identifying problems, it's about empowering educators to be more effective and responsive to their students' needs.
Absolutely, and it goes beyond individual students. The data can also reveal broader trends within a school or even across the entire district.
So it's about seeing the bigger picture and understanding how student well-being impacts the overall school climate.
Precisely. Let's say you notice a spike in risk scores related to bullying behavior.
Okay.
That could be a sign that there's a systemic issue that needs to be addressed, maybe a need for school-wide anti-bullying programs or policies.
It's about connecting the dots and understanding how individual student behavior can sometimes be a reflection of larger cultural or environmental factors.
Exactly, and that's where SRSS Digital can be such a powerful tool for change. It's about moving beyond simply reacting to problems and proactively creating a more positive and supportive learning environment for everyone.
This has been so enlightening. I feel like I'm starting to grasp the true potential of this platform. It's not just a data collection tool, it's a catalyst for positive change and continuous improvement.
It really is. And with the free pilot program, there's no reason not to explore those possibilities.
I couldn't agree more. It's a risk-free opportunity to see firsthand how SRSS Digital can transform your approach to student support.
And remember, it's not just about the technology itself, it's about the mindset shift that it encourages.
Yeah.
It's about embracing a data-driven approach to student well-being and using that data to create a more equitable and supportive learning environment for all students.
That's a powerful message and one that I think will resonate with educators who are passionate about making a real difference in the lives of their students. But before we wrap up this part of our deep dive, I'm curious to know what's resonating most with you, our listeners. What are you most excited to learn more about as we continue to explore SRSS Digital?
So we've spent this deep dive really exploring this world of SRSS Digital.
Yeah. Looking at its features, the data analysis capabilities, and really just how much potential it has to change how we support students.
Absolutely.
We talked about how it helps us find those students who might be struggling, how we can tailor interventions to their needs, and even how it shows us those bigger trends that are impacting the entire school.
Yeah.
But what's really hitting home for me is how much it emphasizes this proactive support. It's not just about reacting when something goes wrong. It's about building a school where every student feels seen, heard, and supported.
Yeah, that's so important. And, one of the things that I'm most excited about with SRSS Digital is how it empowers educators to be more proactive in their approach.
Ooh, okay. I'm curious, how does that actually work? How do we see that proactivity play out in a school?
Well, just imagine this. Instead of waiting for a student to have serious behavioral problems,
Yeah.
educators can use that data from SRSS Digital to see those early warning signs and then step in before things get out of hand.
Oh, so it's like catching those little hints that a student might be having a tough time and giving them support before they slip through the cracks.
Exactly. And it's not just about fixing problems.
Yeah.
It's about creating that feeling of belonging and well-being for every student.
I love that it's this environment where they feel comfortable asking for help if they need it and they know their teachers have their back.
Absolutely. And it's about helping educators be more than just teachers.
Right.
They become advocates for their students' well-being.
This whole conversation has been such an eye-opener for me. It's showing me all these possibilities that happen when we bring data together with a true passion for student support.
Yeah.
It's not about replacing those human connections. It's about using those insights to make them even stronger.
Exactly.
And I think this free pilot program is a great way for schools to really dive into these possibilities themselves.
Definitely.
It's a chance to see firsthand how SRSS Digital can not only make things run smoother, but also really shift the way we think about supporting our students.
And, this is just the start. As more schools start using this and adding their data, the insights are only going to get stronger and more detailed.
It's so exciting to think about what this could mean for education. Are we at the beginning of a totally new way of thinking about student well-being?
And it all begins with individual educators, each one who takes on this new way of thinking.
That's a great point. So as we wrap up this deep dive, I want to leave everyone with a challenge.
Okay.
I want each of you to think about how SRSS Digital could change your own school or district. How could you use this data to create a school that's proactive, supportive, and fair for all students?
That's a great challenge, and I encourage everyone listening to go to that SRSS Digital website and check out the free pilot program.
Yeah, it's a no-risk way to jump in, try it out, and see how this amazing tool can help you build a better future for your students.
And remember, the best discoveries happen when we work together. So share your experiences, your insights, your questions with us. We're all in this together.
Yeah. That's right. Until next time, keep exploring and keep being those champions for every student's well-being.
See you next time.